Hello fans. Welcome to Susie Farms, where we share amazing gardening tips and techniques. This year I traveled a lot and almost missed out on harvesting some delicious figs in my back garden. Birds were already eating the first fruit when I returned. Kindly like, comment, subscribe and hit on the notification bell to keep up with updates. The timing for harvesting figs depends on the variety of fig tree you have and the climate in your region. Figs are typically ready for harvest when they have reached their peak ripeness, which is when they are sweet, juicy, and have developed their full flavor. Here are some general guidelines for when to harvest figs. Color and texture. Figs should change color as they ripen. The color will vary depending on the fig variety, but they often change from green to a more yellow, purple, brown, or black hue when ripe. The skin should be slightly soft to the touch but not mushy. Texture. Gently squeeze the figure. A ripe fig will yield slightly to pressure and feel soft, but it should not be overly mushy. The texture should still be somewhat firm. Neck droop. Some fig varieties have a neck or a stem that attaches the fruit to the tree. When the fig is ripe, the neck will bend or droop, and the fruit will hang down. Taste test. The best way to determine if a fig is ready to harvest is by taste. Pick 1 or 2 figs that appear ripe and taste them. They should be sweet, flavorful, and have a pleasing texture. If they taste good, it's time to harvest the rest. Time of year. Figs typically ripen in late summer to early fall, depending on your location. In many regions, this can be from July through September. Daily monitoring. As figs start to ripen, it's a good idea to check the tree daily because the ripening process can happen quickly, and figs can become overripe and attract pests if left on the tree too long. Harvesting frequency. Depending on the size of your fig tree and the number of fruit it produces, you may need to harvest figs every couple of days during the peak season to ensure you catch them at their prime. Remember that figs do not continue to ripen once they are picked from the tree, so it's essential to harvest them when they are fully ripe. If you're unsure about the ripeness of your figs, taste testing a few is the most reliable method to determine if they are ready for harvest. Also, use a gentle touch when handling figs to avoid damaging the delicate fruit. I hope you have learned some vital tips on fig fruit harvesting. Don't forget to like, comment, share your own opinion and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Cheers!